In this video, I will show you how to streamline your design process by using Claude to generate high-quality UX copy directly from your Figma layouts. Writing effective microcopy can be a time-consuming task, but with the power of artificial intelligence you can produce clear and engaging labels in just a few seconds. To get started, you need to open your chat interface in Claude and look for the plus icon located in the chat bar. Clicking this icon will reveal the available integrations, and from there you must ensure that you turn the Figma toggle to the on position. This allows Claude to actually access and analyze your design files. Once the integration is live, you need to head over to your Figma file and copy the link to the specific frame that contains your user interface elements. Now you can head back to Claude and enter a detailed prompt to get the best results. You should type something like "review this UI layout," then paste your link and add a request to generate 3 alternative UX copy options for the microcopy button labels and error messages. Make sure to specify that you want the tone to be clear, concise, and helpful to your users. When you hit enter, Claude will scan your design and provide several creative variations that fit perfectly within your existing layout. You can then review these suggestions and pick the ones that best match your brand voice, or even ask for further refinements based on the initial output. This workflow saves you from staring at a blank screen and ensures that your messaging is always polished and professional. By integrating these tools, you turn a manual writing process into a seamless part of your design routine, which ultimately helps you build better products for your audience. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope it helps you improve your next project.